Welcome to the ProGuard 20 installation guide. Let's walk through the steps for a proper, long-lasting install. Start with a clean, level surface. Remove existing weeds, rocks, and debris to ensure a smooth foundation. Unroll ProGuard 20 smoothly across the prepared area, overlapping edges at least 6 inches to block weeds at the seams. Use scissors or a utility knife to cut the fabric to fit around trees, plants, fence posts, or pipes. Cut an X or a circle for plants so they can grow through while keeping the barrier snug to the soil. Use landscape staples every 2 to 3 feet along all seams, edges, and corners to keep the barrier firmly in place. Finish your installation by topping off the fabric with your choice of decorative rock or mulch. This provides long-lasting protection while giving your landscape a clean, professional appearance. And that's it! Your ProGuard 20 weed barrier will help keep weeds down and your landscape protected for years to come.